SEO settings. In this lecture, I will show you how you configure your SEO settings for your products. So navigate to the product tab, and I'll wait. Right over here, I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to wait again. Wait. Okay, and I'm going to scroll down, and right over here you can enter the price. We already covered that. So and right over here you see search engine listing preview. Here you can edit your website SEO settings for each product. So you must do that again and again for every product. So I'm gonna call this man jacket, and I'm gonna call this boy man jacket. And then for example, people search on boy man jacket on skate store, they will find your product. So that's really useful. So I highly recommend to use these settings, and I will hit save. And yeah, that was it. So you must do this for every product again and again. It can take a lot of time, but it saves you a lot of money. Okay, I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.